I be judo, running up a check, you see it.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Young Africana. So going straight into it, we're going to be using our JUVIA'S Place I Am Magic Concealer and P. Louise base. I'm using the concealer in J8. I'm going to apply that all over my lids. Make sure I have a nice, little base, for my eyelids. And we're going to buff that out with my buffer brush. So y'all, I'm a little hype, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little hype. So this palette is sponsored by JUVIA'S Place. This is the FUMI X JUVIA'S Queen palette. And I'm gonna be using all these colors, or most of these colors for my eye look. So first color going into my crease is the color Olay. Then I'm gonna top that off with 7 on top of that crease color, just, to diffuse it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the P. Louise Boomer 0.5 base again. And I'm gonna be using just a random, flat shader brush, well, oval shader brush, just to cut out my crease. Now I'm going to use my buffer brush just to buff out that eyeshadow base, and I'm going to go in with FDV approved first, then seconding it with the color Glam, and you're just going to go back and forth with the colors just to diffuse that line of demarcation. Going back in with Olay, I'm going to use that in the corners just to diffuse that to have our overall look nice and polished. Now I'm going in with my NYX, my NYX liquid, dang, I can't speak today, my liquid matte liner, and I'm just going to go ahead and give myself a little baby wing. I'm not really into the whole big exaggerated wings anymore. Your girl had to humble herself down with the wings, okay? Now I went ahead to put on some falsies. You could find these falsies from Amazon. Just type in 25mm lashes and you should find your, your niche. But going in with primer, I'm using the Milk Hydro Primer. I'm going to put that all over my face. I'm going to use the Urban Decay De-Slick Primer over my nose. Now I'll be using my JUVIA'S Place I Am Magic Foundation in the color Molly. And I'm just using my Instapop Real Techniques brush. I'm just gonna buff that all over my face. This is probably one of my favorite foundation brushes to use when it comes to full coverage foundation, this is a full coverage foundation. And this is actually the first time of me using the foundation, and I actually really love it, y'all. Now going in with the J8 concealer from JUVIA'S Place. Then I'm gonna apply it in my highlighted areas, so in my T-zones and all that extra stuff. Now I'm going to use the edge of my brush just to brush out the edges of my concealer. Then I'm going to go ahead and dab it out with my beauty blender. Now, if y'all see some spots that are clearly not blended out, go ahead and use your foundation brush. Like, don't try to act and, use your beauty blender and that stuff. If you need some more blending, then blend, honey. But right now, I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder in the color medium deep. And I'm just going to apply that all over where I highlighted at. Now I'm going into my Carity contour kit, and I'm using the color Bay just to give myself a nice chiseled contour. I'm not really into the cream contours on my face particularly. I just like to use powder, and I'm gonna go back into the Laura Mercier and just carve out the rest of my face. Now using my Morphe 35B palette, I'm gonna go ahead and smoke out the underneath of my eye. I did eyeline my waterline off camera because I cannot do it on camera, and I'm gonna go back in with Olay just to blend out and smoke out that black Now this part is low-key crucial. I'm going into my MAC Studio Fix pressed foundation in the color NW58, and I just feel like this gives you like the blurring effect that you need. Like any mistakes you made with the powder or anything will be erased with this pressed powder, you guys. Now I'm gonna go into my Saharan 2 palette, and I'm gonna go give myself a blush. The color was shown before, I forgot the name of it, but yeah, it was shown. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use my brown lip liner and lip my lips, really Vivian, line my lips. And last but not least, I'll be using my MAC lip gloss in the color Please Me, on top of that with some Beauty Supply Store lip gloss. Yes, y'all know I gotta live with this. This gives it the finished look. Now we're gonna finish up this look with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. You're gonna spray it out all over your face and then pat it in like my Aunt Jackie Aina said, pat that in. It only does half the work if you just spray it in. And this is the finished result, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification next to my name so you guys get the drop before the drop even drop. You feel me? But yes, you guys, I love you guys so much, and I'll catch y'all in the next segment. Later.